Hello, everybody. It's Mindy, and I have a video for you today. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I hope you're ready for it. I'm excited to show it to you. I have a little package here of things from DPClubs, so I hope you enjoy it. If you're new here, this is one of the things I do. I show some diamond paintings. I show progress on diamond paintings. I work on crochet. I do a lot of different things. So I hope you find some things you enjoy and stick around and watch some more videos and hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. Hi, everybody. Glad to have you back. So let's get right into it and let's see what I was able to pick out from DPClubs. So let's get to it. First of all, let me show you these because I love these and they are very, very nice. Okay, let me get them out of the package if I can. I can't. They're taped in. Where's a pair of scissors when I need them? Oh, that's right. They're in the package. Oh, sorry. Can I get them out of here? I do not even know. I'm going to end up hurting myself. You watch. Okay, maybe that will work. I can get this piece of cardboard out. There we go. There we go. High quality stainless steel blades. Elegant European styling. Sharp points allow for delicate cutting and trimming. It's true. They really are sharp and they really cut well. Perfect for cross stitch, embroidery, needlepoint, sewing, quilting, crocheting. Hello, that's what I use them for. Anyhow, yep, European classical scissors. I love them. They are so nice and they're so pretty. Look at them. They are super pretty little scissors. I like the size of them. They're smaller. They are sharp. They got some stuff on them. Like, I think they've been oiled. Yep, they've been oiled. Oh, and of course I had to touch it, right? Of course. Well, I got to get the oil off anyhow. But that's good because that means they are nicely lubricated to move and cut smoothly. But look how pretty they are. All the little filigree. Look how nicely they come together. You know, nothing worse. Tweezers that don't come together. Oh my gosh, drive me crazy, right? How can you use those? But look at those. Aren't they just gorgeous? And they really are sharp and they really work well. And they're great for putting in a project bag to take with you on the go. They're the perfect size for that. I love them. And these are only a few dollars, like $3, $4, $5, maybe. But they're super nice. What do you think about those? Aren't they cool? I love them. Okay. I'm creating little notion bags for each of my little project bags. So I have things like tape measures and scissors and needles and stuff like that. Great idea. Great idea. Okay. So this is interesting. I actually had picked out a different painting and they were out of that one. So they asked me what I thought about this one. And I said, yeah, this one's really pretty. It was similar to this. It was in the same like grouping. DPClubs is one of those that will do like multiple pictures in one listing. So you got to like look through all the pictures and make sure you're getting the one that you want. Okay. So this one was WQ 502. And it's just a pretty sun and moon and flowers. Super pretty. It's got 16 different drills. A lot of those are going to be special drills. It looks like at least 5 special drills, but how pretty is that? I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So let's check out the drills. Of course, I always want to say thank you to DPClubs for letting me pick out some items to show you. And I will have them linked below so that you can go find them if it's something that you like. And I hope I find some things that you kind of like. I try to find neat, pretty, cute, unique, fun things, right? All those words, right? Gold and yellow, like a lemon yellow, an orangey yellow, a couple of pinks, green, a couple greens, a purple, a blue, and another deep purple. So here's our special drills. We have some pink teardrops, faceted. Oh, we have stars. Well, that makes sense. We have some pink faceted marquee, some purple faceted marquee, and some gold faceted marquees. Love it. Absolutely love it. So pretty, right? I'm not mad at all that the one that I had picked out wasn't available because this one's really pretty as well. So there you have it. Let me get these put away. Just easier to do it now than have them laying around, making a mess, getting all confused with the other stuff. So anyhow, super pretty. Love all these flowers. Look at purple flowers, pink flowers, orange. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Love it. Okay, that's our second item. So we got some nice sharp scissors. I did show you the toolkit, didn't I? Yeah, I'll have a toolkit, All right, and then of course, something in a box. I'm going to be going through all of my boxed items here really soon because they are all over the house currently. We had a situation. We still have a situation. Still not taken care of yet. So all my stuff is everywhere. Goodness. Okay, here we go. That's all bundled together. Little piece of styrofoam. I'm so happy they started doing this to protect our pieces because these acrylics can break quite easily. I don't have very many that are square, but when I find one I like that is square, I'm going to nab it up because I like these. And it says Home Sweet Home. Just some pretty flowers and greenery. Looks like there's some butterflies, a couple butterflies here and there. Super pretty. It's got 2 holes. It's going to hang by a chain, which I really like that. I love this. Isn't it pretty? What do you think? I like it. I like it. Okay, let's get into this little baggie here and let's see what we have. Our toolkit's in here. Everything's kind of in our bag. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, here we go. Here's our toolkit. Oh, and the chain is right in here with the toolkit. I will take it out and put it in with the drills, but here's our chain to hang it by, and our tray and our wax. And then these are bagged individually in their own bag. That's what I'm going to say. I'll put the chain in here, and then I can eliminate a whole bag. Let's see what kind of colors we have here. All right, here we go. We have, like a brown, champagne kind of color, a gold, a rosy pink, a clear, a green, and another pink. All right, so that's our main colors, pink, green, gold. All right, then we have some pretty little pearls, some pink marquise, and some faceted clear and iridescent marquise. It is really pretty. I like this a lot. All right. What do you think? Tell me your thoughts. What do you like? What's your favorite? Okay. We got the hanging Home Sweet Home. I think that would just be beautiful anywhere, in somebody's window or in a door or anywhere, And then we have our pretty celestial painting. Very colorful. Very, very colorful. And look out. We got some sharp, sharp scissors. So I like everything I got. What's your favorite? Tell me what your favorite is. This one's real colorful. This one's more muted, totally different, but still both just really lovely. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for hanging out with me for a little bit. And thank you, DPClubs, for letting me pick out things. I hope to continue working with them. They're a great company. They're very generous, and please support them. They will be linked below. All of these items will be linked below. And you know what to do. Comment, hit the like button, share a video, subscribe if you're new here. A super thanks now and then would be awesome. All those things. And I appreciate it so much. So I'll be talking to everybody soon. And I hope y'all have a great week. Bye, everybody.